just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. One thing I've been doing for us while we've been in lockdown is making ginger beer. And your little lemon zester, you can always use a boxed grater. I find this one is a lot better though for lemon rind. And you need about 3 or 4 lemons for the amount I'm doing. If they're large lemons, then you're alright with 3. And if they're smaller, then obviously get 4. But just take the rind off your lemons. So I'll do the rest of them now. Once you've taken the zest off your lemons, give them a bit of a roll. That seems to release some of the juice. And then juice them. Second. Next, you will need ginger. Get a nice big bit of ginger. Yeah. That's a nice big bit of ginger. You can see it about palm of your hand size. And grate it. So when it's grated and I've done the lemons, I'll show you what's next. This is the bucket I'm using. It may look as though I've already started. In a sense I have, because I made a batch up and I've just bottled it and recorded for the end of this video. So I can put it out straight away. So this is what's left, and it wouldn't fit in another bottle, so I just thought I'll add to it. So all the ginger that's been grated, that can go in. The lemon zest, that can go in. The lemon juice, that goes in. Now, cream of tartar, you need to add about a heaped teaspoon of cream of tartar. Yes, this packet's falling to bits on me. That's a level 1 and a bit more, and that just gives it a nice taste as well as helping it as well. So that's, you can buy cream of tartar in a sachets, in which case you just put 1 sachet in. I can't say that properly. And that's it for those ingredients. I've now got some sugar water here. It is hot, it's been boiled, so I don't want it that hot. It makes it easier to dissolve if it's hot water. So I'll put some coal to it. Yeah, that's fine now. And you want about a gallon of water, and into that dissolve about a pound of sugar, about 500 grams. And add a gallon of water, and I'm a bit short at the moment. Technically, this should carry on because there was yeast in the last one. So the yeast should still be alive. That's why I didn't want to add boiling water to it. But what you would add is at least 1 teaspoon of yeast. If you've got baking yeast, use that, dry active yeast. This is actually a dry active wine yeast. Put that in and leave it for 1 to 2 days. Give it a stir and you'll see bubbling, frothing and that. And then I'll show you what it's like bottling. But I've actually done that part of the video already. So, yay! I have sterilised up some bottles. However you are sterilising yours up, if you're buying sterilising solution, go by their recommendations of how to do it, which is what I've done. I've also sterilised up a measuring cup, measuring jug, funnel and a sieve. So now I'll attempt to do this with the camera there. I don't normally do that. So I do it over the sink just in case I spill things everywhere. Makes it an easier clean up. And just fill the bottles up. I have a tendency of filling the bottle most of the way up and then fill my jug, and that'll do the next bottle. As you see, it's not all the way up and not all the way down, it's halfway, so to leave some air. And I just, yeah, it's halfway up the neck of the bottle. Put the top on, bring it down, and then go on to the next bottle, and I'll fill all these up and come back to you. There are the bottles of ginger beer, and just leave them on the side in your kitchen for about a day and then keep them somewhere cool. Drink them fairly soon afterwards because they do carry on fermenting in the bottles, so they are extremely fizzy and your bottles may explode on you. I have not had that for 2 reasons. One, lurchers drinking this faster than I can make it at times, and 2, these bottles hold a lot more pressure than you would think. I use them when I make elderflower champagne, and I've had the green bottles that you buy fizzy wine in, I've had them explode, and these have still been fine. So drink it within a few days. It's slightly alcoholic, not much. 1 bottle is, I suppose, the equivalent of a cheap lager. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect